My name's Chad Spooner from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Currently we live in Larkspur, Colorado, just south of Denver, about 10 minutes south of Castle Rock. It's a smaller community. It's away from 4 million people in the city. There's no hustle and bustle. It's a great place to raise the kids. There's wildlife. It's just a really cool place to be. It feels like you're in the forest, but the city's literally 20 minutes away. So pretty cool. Right, we built a 40 by 60 shop here. We bought the lot in downtown Larkspur about 2 years ago, and finally got up through all the permitting process. And we got a 40 by 60 with 40 by 40 of it, the actual shop, and then 20 by 40 to be used for office space. It's a next step in our company. The guys need a home. They've been showing up to a dirt lot for 2 years now with a metal storage container that they're putting their gear in. So this gives them a home place to, when they get done with work, come in, utilize the shop, have a beer, hang out, whatever. So it's good for morale, good for everybody. We've grown leaps and bounds ahead of what I even thought was imaginable. And I attribute it to my guys and the office staff. Without the office staff and my wife, none of this is possible. She's the brains of the operation, I'm just the tree guy. Well, the building got erected, and that was about a week and a half ago. And then it moved pretty quickly from there. We started framing out the inside office. The OSB guys came in and threw up the OSB on the exterior walls, and they did the siding quickly after. The plumber's begun his work, but he's not finished. The HVAC guys are in process. They're here today doing their vents and hanging the heaters in the shop and whatnot. Everything's moving quickly. We were about 10 days behind schedule, and we've caught up. So we're back to where we should be. We had a delivery date, and it did get pushed back a little bit because that's the nature of the beast with what we're dealing with right now. Everybody's busy. Eric's the kind of guy that he can move a mountain if he has to. When COVID hit, he could not find steel to be fabricated. So instead of being like most people out there and just kind of telling customers, you're gonna have to wait, he decided to go ahead and buy a shop in Grand Junction and start fabricating his own steel. So this is, he's an extraordinary person, his wife's an extraordinary person, and just from what I know about Eric and his wife and some of the guys in the company, some of the key guys in the company that I know very well, I don't know why you'd shop around anywhere else. Like, these guys are honest, and they work hard, and they're gonna do a good job for you, for sure. And if they do something wrong, they're gonna fix it. When I started Great Western Tree Care, I started it with a vision of taking over Douglas County. To see how far we've come and grown is awesome. And slowly becoming the most respected tree company in Douglas County by far. And we're just getting started, for sure.